What is ChatGPT? Before we begin, let us talk about chatbots. Have you ever chatted with a bot online? Chances are, you have. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular, helping businesses respond to customer inquiries and support requests quickly and efficiently. But have you heard of ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a powerful chatbot that uses natural language processing and artificial intelligence to engage in conversations with people like you and me. ChatGPT is not like other chatbots. It is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI, the same research company that brought us advanced AI technologies like GPT-3. ChatGPT is capable of understanding the nuances of human language, making it one of the most advanced chatbots available today. It can engage in conversations on a wide range of topics and can respond to questions with relevant and accurate replies. Let us check out a conversation with ChatGPT where the user asked for a recipe to make a burger. As you can see, ChatGPT can provide very relevant information and the conversations are almost human-like. ChatGPT can be used for a variety of purposes, including customer service, education, and entertainment. It can help businesses respond to customer inquiries faster and provide students with personalized learning experiences. With its advanced language capabilities and versatility, ChatGPT is changing the way we interact with technology and making our lives easier and more efficient. Want to experience the power of ChatGPT for yourself? Try it out today by clicking on the link given in the description below and see what it can do for you. Who knows, it might just change the way you think about chatbots. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to get notified of new uploads.